Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Code Yatra. So, in our last video, we discussed about data types and variable in Python. And in this video, we will talk about how to take input from user in Python. So, let's start. First of all, we will learn how this input function looks like. So, when we are taking input from any user, first of all, we have to define a variable, right? For example, we take name as a variable. Name, and now we will write this input function. And in this input, we will ask what we want to ask from the user, what we want to take from the user, right? So as the variable is already written, name, so we are asking name of the user. Enter your name. Now, when we ask for the output of this, we can see that enter your name came as the output, right? And when I will write the name as code Yatra, okay, when I write the name code Yatra, it processed further. If I will not write anything, nothing will come, like nothing will happen. The code will get run, but and till I did not press enter button or return button, it will not process the further result, right? So it will ask you the name. It will ask you whatever you are taking input. So this is how we take input from the user. So this was string type, right? This was when we are talking about string or string input. What if we want to take integer input or float input, right? For that, for example, we are asking for the age of the user. So as you know, age is a type of integer. So when I write age variable equals to, now I want to take input of the user in integer, specifically in integer. It does not mean that when I will write the same in this string input, we can not write integer in this input. We can write integer, but I want it specifically in integer. I do not want any strings in this. So for that, we will use int, then we will write this input function. Now I will write this enter your age, and this is called integer input. Now here, when I run this, it is asking name. We already wrote it, Kodyatra. And age, integer. For example, I wrote 21. It is giving me the perfect result. Nothing is wrong here, right? But what if I will write age? What if I will write code yatra in age section also? Or let's say I will write 21 in string type. What will come? Let's see. You can see the integer input error came. So we can see that how this input, string input, integer input works. And same goes for the float input or yeah, look, height. Same goes for this float input. Same goes for the other data types input. Whatever input we want to take in whatever data type we want to take input, we have to write that data type first. Then we will proceed with our input functions.